It's not big. This is small.
Now, what are you using?
Chatterbait. Well, not as small as I thought it was.
Chatterbait. That works good. Small. Oh, it's a fish.
Well, it's not the biggest, but it's not the smallest. Let's see if I can do this.
I don't like this look.
What look? That is very unique. I don't even want to know how you got it that high. My battery's dead, or I gotta let him go. Oh, one down. Okay, this is funny. I don't even know why the camera's on for this one, but that's a tiny one. I thought when he bit, I was stuck on weeds. Yeah, number 2.
It is.
Oh yeah, look at Tom.
He's not bad.
Tom got one. Look at it.
Not bad.
Bring him in, bring him in.
Jeez. It's the stupid.
Bring it over this way. I can't reach it. You gotta bring him closer. There you go.
Not bad.
Look at Tom Ace with this big fish. All right.
Not bad. Gotcha. He didn't get away. I think there's more right around there.
I don't know if there's more, but you want to try it?
I don't deal with troubles.
It's not a trouble.
What do you mean it's not a trouble?
That's not a trouble. It's only it's already gone.
Oh, I like it. I don't have one of these.
Come on, 0 out. There we go.
He's a little long, but he's thin.
It says 187, which means he's probably like 2.
Not bad.
All right, you want to take him? So you know how to unclip this? You got him by the mouth?
Yep, I got him. Thanks, bud. Oh, jeez.
There he goes. How do you feel? Tom caught a bass. All right, I'm happy now. See ya.
Where'd you go?
Towards shore. Come on, get over here. You gonna come up or what are you doing, dude? Here he comes. Right by you. Not bad. Nope. Not bad on the chatterbait.
That was, oh, I thought it was the hybrid.
Nope. I took the chatterbait and threw it over there for the hell of it. Let's pick them up, 0 it out, 0.
So by the trees?
Yep. Yep, 183. So this is just a little bit smaller than the other one. 183, not bad. See ya.